Hello, my name is Ben Lee, and in this video, we're going to look at replacing a defective CAN device. So in this scenario, my EG2S device 511 is defective, and we have replaced it with a new unit. So if I do a search, we see that the new device shows up. So next, what we need to do is we need to set the address of this EG2S to the address in the database, and then we need to send settings. So the way that we do that is open a second version of Device Editor. It will give you a message indicating that there's a version of Device Editor already running, but that's fine. So in our second version of Device Editor, we have an active connection. And if we search the network, we should find all of our devices. This is the device that we need to change the segment and node of. So we need to verify in our working database the address, which is 511. Simply choose the device, right-click, choose renumber, and then we're going to type in segment 5, node 11, and then renumber. Now we're going to go back to our working database. We'll clear our list and search. And now we see that it found an EG2S at 511. That's the one we readdressed. So then simply right click in the database on 511 and choose resend. And this will send all the data for that device in the database to the new device. You'll then be prompted that the EG2S, in this instance, this device needs to be reset, and we would select OK. The device will reboot, and then it should show back up on the CAN monitor. I would then recommend testing the device's features. Or if it's a time clock device, I would recommend setting its time. Or if it was another device like the TSI-1 and there was touch screens, I would load the configuration for the screens and then test and so forth. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.